Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of mechanical keyboards with the KiiBOOM Phantom 81 V3. So, is this the ultimate keyboard experience you've been waiting for? Let's find out. The KiiBOOM Phantom 81 V3 is a 75% layout mechanical keyboard with 82 keys, hot swappable with 3/5 pin mechanical switches, Encro anti-ghosting. That has garnered attention for its transparent design, customizable features, and versatile performance. Building upon its predecessors, the V3 introduces several enhancements aimed at improving user experience. The Phantom 81 V3 features a transparent acrylic case that showcases its internal components, complemented by customizable RGB lighting. This design choice not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also allows users to personalize their setup. The keyboard's build quality is robust, with a gasket-mounted design that contributes to a satisfying typing experience. However, some users have noted that the keyboard's thickness may necessitate the use of a wrist rest for optimal comfort during extended typing sessions. The KiiBOOM Phantom 81 V3 offers a smooth and responsive typing experience. The linear switches provide a quiet and cushioned feel, making it suitable for both typing and gaming. The gasket-mounted design further enhances the typing experience by isolating the plate and reducing noise, resulting in a quieter thonk sound compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. The KiiBOOM Phantom 81 V3 offers a refined lighting experience with reduced glare and a more even illumination effect. Customizable LED settings allow users to adjust colors and brightness to fit their personal preferences or workspace ambience. Additionally, the V3 is fully compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems, ensuring smooth operation and efficient performance across different platforms. The Phantom 81 V3 supports multiple connectivity options, including wired and USB 2.4 GHz wireless adapter and Bluetooth 5.0. This versatility allows users to connect to various devices seamlessly. The keyboard also features customizable RGB lighting with multiple effects, which can be adjusted using the KiiBOOM driver software. However, some users have expressed a desire for more customization options, such as the ability to change the color of the side light through the driver software. The Phantom 81 V3 has a large 4,000 mAh battery. Users have reported using the keyboard for 8 to 10 hours per day over several days without needing to recharge, even with the RGB lighting at full brightness. In terms of gaming, the Phantom 81 V3 performs well in medium and low intensity games. Its sensitive pre-travel distance and responsive switches make it suitable for casual gaming. However, for high-intensity competitive gaming, some users have noted that the keyboard may not be as responsive as other models designed specifically for such purposes. The KiiBOOM Phantom 81 V3 is a well-designed mechanical keyboard that offers a satisfying typing experience, robust build quality, and versatile connectivity options. While it may not be tailored for competitive gaming, it serves as an excellent choice for users seeking a balance between work and play. Its transparent design and customizable features make it a standout option in the mechanical keyboard market. Peace out.